Hi there, welcome to my channel. I'm Linda of Linda Hermans Photography, and this is where we talk about all things related to food photography. Now, I started this channel a little while ago and I haven't really been very active recently, but I really want to change that now in 2023 and bring you lots more regular, brand new content every single month. I'm planning to upload both short and long form content here on YouTube. The short form content will come as YouTube Shorts and will be dedicated more to quick tips, tricks and hacks that you can implement quickly and efficiently to improve your food photography day to day. And the longer form content will be tutorials dedicated to a more specific food photography topic. I'm aiming to cover one food photography topic every single month, and this can range from composition techniques, lighting setups, colour theory, business tips related to food photography, different things every single month. And for those of you who also like to read things in a written form, then the content of the topics are also covered on my blog via my website, which is linked in the description box below. So if you would like to watch the video and also read some content around the topic, then you can look both here and on my website. I've also got plenty of other blog posts already published there, so do have a browse and see if there's anything that might catch your interest. You can also become a free member of my LHP community, and to do that you simply need to subscribe or sign up to my mailing list, which is also linked in the description box below. And when you become a free member, it means that you're going to receive bi-weekly emails on the food photography topic for that month, and they will be filled with exclusive tips and tricks and behind the scenes footage that I don't share anywhere else. And you'll also get a monthly creative inspiration email, as well as a roundup at the end of each month of resources that you may have missed, and also some business tips that I have learned in my month along the way. Another perk of becoming a free member is that you will receive 10% off everything in my online store, my digital products, which are courses and ebooks, also linked below. So do consider signing up if you want to get a nice little discount on my digital products. I should also say that I'm very active on my Instagram account, Linda Hermans Photography, also linked below in the description box. And that is where I share a lot more day-to-day behind the scenes of my workflow, my shooting for personal work and client work, business tips and general day-to-day life. So do follow me there if you want to see a little bit more regular content and just be a bit nosy of what I get up to every single day. For those of you who have been around for a little while, thank you so much for sticking with me and still being here. And for anyone who's coming in new, welcome. I'm really, really excited that you've decided to join us and that you are so keen to learn about food photography. I hope you find these videos helpful, and please do always leave comments on the videos, give them likes and thumbs up so that I know which videos you're loving, and I will also answer you directly in the comments in case you have any questions or things that you just want to ask me. Without further ado, welcome to my channel and let's get learning about food photography.